It looks heavy.
Hey now, take a step outside and seize the day now.
Hey, good morning. It's a beautiful day here in South Carolina, and I think we'll show you guys the progress of the Surfside Beach Pier. We were down there about a month ago and not much was going on, but we're going to go back today and see how the progress is coming. But before we do that, there was a little windstorm here a couple days ago, and a tree fell down the path behind the house. That path leads to the nature walk, and we're going to go over and try to move the tree because a lot of times the kids will cut through and to get to the basketball court and the nature area. You ready to go? Move some wood?
I'm ready.
Okay. Got your arms pumped up? All right, let's go.
Can you do it? Whoa.
My first attempt was unsuccessful. So we found that a vine was keeping these two trees attached and making it hard to move. So Sue went back to get the clipper. You got the clipper?
I got it.
Okay, clip away. Whoa.
Whoa. Whoops.
All right, now that Sue released the vines from the tree, I'm gonna see if we can move it into the woods to clear the path. You ready? Let's go. I'll try to pick it up. Clear?
No, keep going.
More?
Keep going. Yeah.
How about now?
That's good.
Okay. Bring it down. Slow, slow. All right, success. The path is now clear. So now that that's done, we're heading down to Surfside Beach to show you guys the progress of the Surfside Beach Pier. Let's go.
Let's do this.
All right, take your clippers with you?
No.
Okay. Okay, so to get to Surfside Beach Pier, we don't want to park in Surfside because now they're charging $2 an hour to park. So we parked at the free lot in Garden City Beach, the northern section of Garden City Beach on Calhoun Drive. And it's a pretty good sized lot, as you can see. And we're going to start from here and then we're going to walk up the beach to the pier and show you what's going on. We entered the beach at Calhoun Drive and walked about 1.5 miles north to Surfside Beach Pier. We soon came across open stormwater drainage. So the one thing we don't like about Surfside Beach is that the stormwater drains directly into the ocean. As a result, they recommend that you don't swim within a certain distance from the storm drainage because it's usually high in bacteria. You take a look. Now, 1 month ago, when we checked out the $14 million pier construction site, there wasn't much going on. But this time it looked like some progress was being made. Steel beams were in place. As well as some concrete columns. Although progress had been made, it was a quiet job site. we saw what we needed to see, so we headed home. Until next time, safe travels.